Jesus waited for the bridegroom to arrive, but the evening turned to night, and the virgins, tired with the excitement of the day's events, lay down to rest. While the bridegroom tarried, they all slumbered and slept. And at midnight there was a cry made, Behold, the bridegroom cometh. Go ye out to meet him. Then all those virgins arose and trimmed their lamps. The lamps of the foolish virgins had burnt brightly, but now all their oil was used up. The wise virgins, who had kept their lamps burning low, were still able to illuminate the procession. And the foolish virgins said to the wise virgins, Give us some of your oil, for our lamps have gone out. But the wise virgins answered, saying, Not so, lest there be not enough for us and you. But go rather to them that sell oil, and buy some for yourselves. And while they went to buy some for yourselves, and while they went to buy, the bridegroom came. And the door was shut, virgins that were ready went in with him to the marriage, and the door was shut. Afterwards came also the other virgins, saying, Lord, Lord, open to us. But he answered and said, Verily I say unto you, I know you not. Watch therefore, for ye know neither the day nor the hour wherein the Son of Man cometh. Praise be to God.